guy is just your middle point. And then this is what you will put in the middle part of your ring, wherever the circles are. So every ring has one, and it makes it to where it's not going to move around and stuff like that. So it's kind of your like level point. And so if I were to look at this one, I could see, do y'all want to come look at this so you kind of know? There's like the little bubble, and it's further up the top. So that tells me that like the front legs need to like move a little bit. I'll get out of your way in just a second. Okay, I'm wrong. So you just kind of like play with it. You want to look at it? Sorry,
Yeah,
I'm kind of like in your way. Is it level? Ish.
You had it earlier. Yeah, I think it was a little bit. There it is.
Okay. These are a lot easier to do. Okay, so then you're pretty good on this. All right. When you have this this laser, this will stay attached. You guys will just move this little guy back, slide it in, and then it'll go back and it's set. Is that all right? Okay. All right. So to do your measurement on shot and disc, the laser will reflect off wherever they land. Okay. So if somebody wants to grab that tape measure and you want to do like 20 feet, sounds good.
Okay.
So this is a 20-foot line. So if you happen to be by yourself, you can always just stick this in the ground, or someone can hold it, whatever. And then we know that our test point is 20 feet. So when you guys go to do this, you go turn it on. If you want to like look around, you can. So we're gonna go. You're gonna go back to function, and you're gonna go back to gears. You check your units just to make sure they're right. They're set on a 4th, so we're good to go. We'll save it. And then you're gonna go all the way over to the little laser guy. And we're gonna reset this because this was set for void. And then we're gonna go the seat off. And you guys will actually, you might want to get close and see. You can see it's like a video. So you'll be able to see wherever the thing is. So we want to make sure that we're pointing down any part of that, and y'all can see the red on it. So it's any part of that, and it will calibrate wherever they threw it to. So we're going to hit the red button, and it says 24 3/4, and we know that's 20 feet. So we've got our 4 3/4 left over, which is the amount from here to there. So we'll go back to calibrate it. Do y'all remember where to go for that? What do we press first though to get to it? Like if it looked like this and I were at a meet, how do I go to calibrate it?
Go to function.
Yeah. So you go function, and then where?
And then go all the way over.
Do you go
And you
gears
go
or
gears,
all the way over?
your gears, and then you'll go.
All the way over to the right to like the arrow thingy?
And what was the difference?
4 3/4.
And then you guys can see where it's 4 feet 3/4 on the thing, and then we'll save it. And then I'll go seat off to get back to where it looks like I can see the laser now. Hold on. Oh my gosh. All right, and it says 1911 and a half, so it's a 1/2 inch off.
So then we do it again for a 1/2 inch. Just keep doing it until it's
Yeah. So I'm gonna clear it. Go see off. Okay. Does anybody want to try it?
I will. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just calibrating this. So do I go?
Calibrate function.
Yeah. I can't even see. What's function? Which one's function?
It's right here.
Oh, the one that says function. Function, and then I gotta go gears.
Gears. Yeah, that one.
And then I go over.
All the way
Are
over.
these my arrows?
They are. It's all the way over. All the way over. There you go.
So enter.
Hit the red button.
And then I need to do a 1/2 inch. So how do I know where I am right now?
And then you have over there. If you go all the way over, it has different holes.
I don't even know where I am.
So you should be right here.
Oh, because of the arrows on either side. I got you. I
They
got
showed
you.
us yesterday that we haven't had a meeting
Okay, so then I think I'm good. And then I hit the red button.
So movie.
And then hit it again. Do I hit it again? I've done the 1/2.
With
the
the
half.
tripod in there.
yet.
I did the 1/2 and then, or it said
Yeah,
2/4, whatever.
They gotta work
Wait,
around
go back
it.
to that thing. That's the red button. And then, but you'll still need to do the 4 feet. So you'll go over.
Why do I have to do this?
Because
It
it
said
was
19.
4 3/4 when we calibrated it.
And then we calibrated it and it said 19.5.
Yeah. So that was
So I'm
just to
doing
see
4
that.
1/2?
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand that.
Here. Do you want to just start over?
No. Alright, so we're good. 4 1/2. Now what? This.
Then you'll save it.
Save now this.
And then you'll go back to see off to get back to the thingy. Keep doing the clear.
Until I'm ready.
And then you'll see.
See the laser anywhere on it. And then I hit the thing. Sweet. 28.2.
But, but what do we know it is?
We know it's 20.
Okay, so go back to function, and then go to your gears, and then go over to your laser thing. Okay, and then this says plus right over here, but we know that we're subtracting it from it. And really everybody probably needs to see this just in case you go down. So right now that says plus,
It's the arrows right here.
and she got 28, which is 4 feet more, and it actually needs to be subtracted. So you'll go down to where it says minus, and then you'll save it. So we knew it was 4 feet over, just the wrong direction. So you'll go back to when you do this, and you'll do the minus instead of the plus.
And then do I go see off just to kind of get going? Do I just see off until I get back to the thing? Like, are we good? I saved it.
Mm-hmm.
So I go back until
back to there so you can see it.
"20 feet 1 inch."
Yeah.
So letting someone else do it. I clearly can't calibrate
No.
this.
I mean, it's if it moves like, you know, if you shine it on different parts of it, it's gonna like be off by a 1/4 of an inch.
Well, at that point, could we just be like, we know it's 1 inch off, so we would just subtract an inch from each?
Yeah, and y'all can decide as y'all's track meet. Like, if you don't want to be, you know, if this is 21, or if y'all want to just do to the nearest 1/2 inch, the nearest whole inch. Y'all do whole inch for middle school.